I'm doing this video on grain wheat flour can make you sick. It doesn't seem possible, does it? Wheat, grain, it's a staple diet in the United States of America. How can it make you sick? I can understand if you're skeptical. So take a look at this. There are quite a few issues with gluten, and I'm going to go through some of them. This will also be in the glossary. Autoimmune brain damage, fog brain, ADHD, depression, anxiety, neurological problems, migraines, epilepsy, vertigo, peripheral neuropathy, schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, anxiety disorder, depression and mood disorders, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, this ADHD, autism spectrum disorder, schizophrenia, other neurological manifestations. Also, depression, brain fog, memory loss, anxiety disorders, cognitive decline, irritability, poor focus and concentration, neuromotor issues, psychiatric disorders, early hearing loss, neuropathy, and dementia. Gluten causes these problems. It's in wheat. I was disappointed when I found out all those symptoms. I've had neurological issues all my life, and now I'm starting to realize where they came from. It's the wheat. It could have been preservatives, could have been candida from sugar, maybe even the oil derived from a seed. But definitely, 100% I'm convinced, it's caused by the grain, the wheat, the flour, because there's a protein called gluten. And that's the culprit. That's what's causing all these issues. You can get to the brain. Well, I can give you more information, but you've got Google and YouTube. You can look all that up. What I'm really trying to do is establish that, yes, you can have neurological issues caused by what you eat. So I'll explain what I call dead food. Food that has no nutritional value. If you eat that, it's going to upset the microbiome in your intestine and it'll be compromised, causing neurological issues. The only way to get over it is to reestablish a healthy environment. I met a man who had neurological issues, and he was very knowledgeable about the digestive system and probiotics. And he told me to read this book, Patient Heal Thyself. There's a lot of information in here about probiotics and stories about how the author resolved the issues that he was having with his problems in the intestine and how he digested food. Also, he told me there would be a sequence of probiotics that I would take. When I took the probiotics, and I'm going to show you those probiotics in a moment in this video, my neurological issues started to go away. The author of this book and the people who make the probiotics will not acknowledge what I said. In fact, they'll deny that it could happen. They will not support that the neurological issues will go away because they make probiotics for the digestive system. But when you think about it, a healthy gut, healthy brain. And it worked for me. Now I'm going to show you the sequence of the probiotics.
This is Perfect Food. This is the first probiotic that I started with on the sequence. I took this for 30 days. This is Fungal Defense. This is the second probiotic that I took after starting with the Perfect Food. I continued with Perfect Food and the Fungal Defense both at the same time. This is Primal Defense. This is the third probiotic that I was taking. Now, I stopped taking the fungal defense and started this as the follow-up. And I still took the perfect food at the same time.
And restrict your diet. No sugar, no preservatives, no grain wheat flour, and no oil and vegetable oil derived from a seed. Stay away from that and fried food. This is going to take a period of time, about 4 or 5 months. But think about it. You're going to be eating good food. There's nothing wrong with that. No one can tell you you're doing something wrong. And you're going to be taking probiotics to help reestablish a healthy microbiome in the digestive system. And that's what you want to do. Now I'm going to go to my next video and explain to you what happened to me when I took the probiotics. You can order these probiotics in the description box below. There's a link to a website.